So may I request Miss General Noblesa to interpret the answer of our candidate number 4.
Ibong sabat eh.
Again, let's give a round of applause to our candidate number 4. Okay, good evening, candidate number 4. Good evening to, especially to our board of judges. Okay. Are you now ready to answer the question, candidate number 4? Yes, I'm always ready. Alright. Candidate number 4 are always ready. Di ba? Nabati ka mga ron? Okay. Candidate number 4, please pick your question. Okay, I will be asking this question. Okay, I will be reading this question. Okay, your question is, what can you say about the increasing number of persons living with HIV in our municipality? Again, what can you say about the increasing number of persons living with HIV in our municipality?
Go, Jendro!
Thank you, Ma'am Rexy, for that very, very wonderful question.
Ay, ano answer mo?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I can say about increasing HIV here in our municipality is so for me it's sad for I will do some program.
Nalobat ito doon.
Educate all the people because I believe that education is the biggest foundation of our nation. Because I know that without education, people we cannot